Hello everyone, welcome back to Insights Labs. As we have already started our new series to explore all previously asked questions from Microsoft PL300 certification exam. So after completion of this particular series, you will have that understanding about how they ask question in Microsoft PL300 certification exam, and you will have that confidence about how to solve those questions. Still you have any confusion, any doubt related to the Power BI or related to the PL300 certification exam, you can drop your message in the comment section. So let's try to see our next question. To solve this particular question, they have given us the scenario. In the scenario, a retail company's Power BI model has two related tables. First one is sales table and second one is employee table, connected by employee ID column. It means that employee ID is the common column in between both table. Point they have given us in the scenario, first point, that is no reporting requirements exist for the employee ID column. Second point which they have given us here, the employee photo, which is binary column, will not used in any visual or any filter or in any reporting page. And now goal is to reduce the model size, to improve performance of model and avoid unnecessary memory consumption. Here they have given us the schema of sales table as well as employee table as well. Here you can see these are the respective column and data type of each and every column also they have given us. Same for the sales table as well as employee table. Now on the basis of this particular scenario, they ask you this question: what should you configure for each column, for employee ID column and for employee photo column? For employee ID column, they have given us the options: change data type of employee ID column, delete employee ID column, hide employee ID column, or sort employee ID column. Same for the employee photo column, they have given us the option as change data type of employee photo column, delete employee photo column, then rename employee photo column or sort employee photo column. Now to understand this particular scenario better way, I will take you through the practical implementation of it. So see here, as we are in the Power BI, here we have two tables. First one is employee table and second one is sales table. And as per the scenario, both tables are connected on the basis of employee ID column. Now first option which we have here, that is nothing but change data type of employee ID column as well as change data type of employee photo column. Now here you can see, we'll check for the employee ID column first. So if I take you through the table view, the data type of employee ID column which is present in the sales table is whole number. And if I check the data type of employee ID column which is present in the employee table, which is also whole number. It means that we can't go and we can't change the data type. If I change the data type, it might be break our model or incorrect result in the visualization. Second option which they have given us here in the employee ID, that is nothing but delete employee ID column. So if I delete this employee ID column from employee table, so it will break the model, right? So it will lose our data. So third option which we have here, that is nothing but the hide column. So yes, we can hide the column. So I will go here, I will click on employee ID and here you will able to see hide option. So I will hide that, and same for the sales table as well, I will hide employee ID column. So this we can do. Then it means that for employee ID we can hide, and if I sort that column, it will not make any sense, right? So hide option is the correct option for the employee ID. Now we'll check for the employee photo. Now as given in the scenario, the employee photo column, which is binary column, will not used in any visualization or any filter or any reporting page. As they are not using it for visualization, for filtering or for reporting page, storing that particular data will consume your memory. So instead of keeping that data or that column in our semantic model, we'll go and we'll delete that. So I will go to the transform data, I will click on transform data so that Power Query will get open, and I will check for that column, that is nothing but the employee photo which is present in the employee table. So I will click on that and I will delete that column, and again I will click on close and apply. Now here you can see in the table view we have only employee ID column, first name of the employee and last name of the employee. We have removed that column named as employee photo. So it helps us to optimize the model, to improve the performance of the model, as well as to reduce the unnecessarily memory consumption. So our correct answer will be, we have hide employee ID column from both table and we have deleted the employee photo column from the employee table. So hide and delete will be our correct answer. I hope you understand this particular scenario and question very well. If you have any question, any doubt related to the Power BI or related to the PL300 certification exam, you can drop your message in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you with the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring.